Sky view fully zoomed in, June 25th, 2018. Hey moon, 8 o'clock p.m. Moon was over here about a day or two ago. Then it was over here. Now it's over here. It keeps going more east. Alright, this might take a little bit because I'm fully zoomed in. Look at the haze to the east. My bad. It's just whatever's in the air is a bunch of bologna sandwich. I can't even hardly breathe. It's terrible what they've done with this. They just let these fires burn. Media wants you to think that they're putting them out. They're not putting them out. Okay, now get this. Look at these streaks going in an angle. They're straight lines. I don't believe that these are real clouds. They look like man-made substances. They're like, I call them streakers. They're streaks. Here in California, that's what I had nicknamed them. Alright. A lot of haziness everywhere. Suns. I mean, I'm full zoom. What's going on? I can't even see the star like that. It's literally blurred out. Unbelievable. Look at that. Look at those streaks. That's just, here, just to show you that this is not photoshopped. Yeah, train, that's nice. Look, you can see the mountains, but they're hazy now. Before you couldn't see nothing in the previous sky view. But these things, these streakers, they literally, look at that. When have you ever seen perfectly straight lines from a cloud, even smoke? No. You're not pulling my leg on this one. There's something there. They're covering something up, and they always do this at the sunset. Always do it at the sunrise. There's the mountains, Santa Cruz, San Jose, that way, southwest. So you can even see the farther ones that's almost directly south. There's directly south. I'm gonna spin around. Southeast. Look how murky and nasty that stuff is. I mean, we're just in a valley. We got mountains on both sides, and we're just enveloped by this garbage. Oh, I'm missing the moon again. Let me move over and get a better shot. Oh, I passed it. Drop down a little. How you doing, moon? My tree's in the way. Yeah, let's see here. Above the primary house. And then we're back again to the east. Alright, so that's pretty much what we got going on. Oh, and directly above my head, beautiful blue skies. So I'm getting set up for the sunset filtered. Everyone be safe out there, and peace out.